Hi all, in this video I will teach you about divided difference and Newton's divided difference interpolation. Let y equal to f of x be the function which assumes the values f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 etc. corresponding to the values x0, x1 etc. xn, where the differences of x need not be equal. Then the first divided difference of the function f of x for the arguments x0, x1 is defined as the ratio f of x1 minus f of x0 by x1 minus x0. It is denoted using these notations. In the same notation, we can write f of x1, x2, which is f of x2 minus f of x1 by x2 minus x1. These are the first divided difference. The second divided difference of the f of x for these arguments x0, x1, x2 is nothing but the ratio of the first divided difference with respect to the difference in x. So, f of x1 x2 minus f of x0 x1 by x2 minus x0. No need to by heart these formulas. When we are solving the problems, it is easily understood. Form the divided difference table for the following data. Here the values of x are at unequal intervals, that is the differences of x are not equal. Here the difference is 2, here the difference is 3, here it is 2. So, the differences are not equal. Therefore, we can construct a Newton divided difference table. So, here first divided difference I have calculated. This is done by subtracting 108 minus of 792 divided by 0 minus of minus 2, which is 450. The next value is minus 72 minus 108 divided by 3 minus 0. The next value is minus 144, 48 minus 72 divided by 5 minus 3. Similarly, you can construct the remaining values. For the second divided difference, we have to subtract minus 60 minus 450 divided by 3 minus of minus 2. We have to skip one value of x. Okay, now for finding the second divided difference, keep alternate values of x. Similarly, the next value is obtained 60 minus of minus 60 divided by 5 minus of 0. Next value minus 96 minus 60 divided by 7 minus of 3. Skipping one values of x, we have obtained the second divided difference. To obtain the third divided difference, we have to skip two values of x, that is 24 minus of minus 102 divided by 5 minus of minus 2. Here you can observe we have skipped two values of x. The next value goes like this: minus 39 minus 24 divided by 7 minus of 0, which is minus 9. Similarly, the next value is, we have finished with the third divided difference. Now, to obtain the fourth divided difference, minus 9 minus of 18, we have to skip three values of x. So, 7 minus of minus 2, which is minus 3. The next value goes like this: 7 minus of minus 9 divided by 8 minus of 0. We have skipped three values. For the fifth divided difference, we have to skip four values of x, that is 2 minus of minus 3 divided by 8 minus of minus 2. Thus, we have constructed the divided difference table. Find the divided difference of the function f of x, which is equal to x cube plus x plus 2 for the arguments 1, 3, 6, 11. Here the values of x is given, but the values of f of x is not given. We have to construct the table. Put x equal to 1 here, we get 4. Put x equal to 3 here, we get 32. Put x equal to 6 here, we get 224. Put x equal to 11 here, we get 1344. Now, using these values, construct the first divided difference, second divided difference and third divided difference. Here the values of x are not at equal intervals, because you can see the differences of x are not equal. Here it is 2, here it is 3 and here it is 5. Therefore, they are not equal. So, that is the reason we have constructed the divided difference. Newton's divided difference interpolation formula goes like this: f of x naught plus x minus x naught into first divided difference plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into second divided difference plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 third divided difference plus etc. Let us solve one problem. Using Newton's divided difference interpolation, find the values of f of 2, f of 8 and f of 15. First, let us construct the polynomial using the difference table. We have divided difference table because we know the values of x are not at equal intervals. Here the difference is 1, here the difference is 2, here the difference is 3. Therefore, the values of x are not at equal intervals, the differences are not same. That is the reason we have constructed the divided difference table, and therefore we are using Newton's divided interpolation formula. After constructing the table, we have named all the values. This is our f of x naught, this is our first divided difference 52, this is our second divided difference 15, this is our third divided difference 1, this is our fourth divided difference 0. Since it is 0, we have not written here. Now, using the formula, we have substituted all the values, but we do not know x. We have constructed a polynomial here. They have asked you to find f of 2, f of 8 and f of 15. Put x equal to 2 in this polynomial, we get 4. Put x equal to 8 in this formula, we get 448. Put x equal to 15, we get 3150. So, we have obtained all the values of f corresponding to the values of x. From the following table, find f of x and hence find f of 6 using Newton's interpolation formula. Here there is no clarity whether we have to use forward interpolation or backward or divided difference interpolation. Let us look at the values of x here. The differences of x, here it is 1, here it is 5, here it is 1. Therefore, the differences are not equal. Therefore, we have to use Newton's divided interpolation formula. We have constructed the divided difference table. Now, using the divided difference interpolation formula, we have substituted the values and we got a polynomial. But we need f of 6. Put x equal to 6 here. There are two questions here. First, we have to construct the polynomial and then we have to use that polynomial to find f of 6. So, put x equal to 6, we got the value of 6.23. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.